So if you're in first year, right, a lot of this could seem a bit overwhelming, and you probably feel a lot of pressure about making the right decisions about courses you're going to select in second and third year, and how all this might impact your future prospects for employment. In addition to your studies, however, I'd really encourage you to look outside the classroom for opportunities that will give you a broad spectrum of experience and make you a more well-rounded person and a better lawyer one day.
Hi, my name is David Thomas. I'm the chairperson of the Canadian Human Rights Tribunal. I'm based in Ottawa, and I am the person responsible for receiving all complaints that are being investigated by the Canadian Human Rights Commission. These are complaints of discrimination in employment or in the provision of services under the Canadian Human Rights Act. And I will assign one of my members or myself to institute an inquiry to investigate those complaints of discrimination. Unfortunately, many of the people in front of us are not able to have representation. In fact, 3/4 of our complainants appear before us without representation. And sometimes we're talking about members of very vulnerable groups in Canadian society. And I think there's a great opportunity for students of Pro Bono Students Canada to assist vulnerable people before the Canadian Human Rights Tribunal. It's my hope that by participating in front of the tribunals that the students can not only gain experience and knowledge about human rights law and the forum that provides access to justice to vulnerable Canadians, but students themselves may be able to benefit from the experience by developing their professional people skills. And I can't overstate how important that is for young law students to develop those skills, those interpersonal people skills, because at some point you take off your student cap and you put on your professional advisor cap, and it requires a different set of skills to make a client feel confident and trusting in the advice that you're giving them. And pro bono work as a student gives you an incredible opportunity, not just to help someone with their access to justice and hopefully getting them the remedy that they deserve and feeling good about that good work that you're doing, but as a student involved in that process, you stand to gain by developing your people skills, and you're developing your skills as a professional advisor to people. Because I'd like to say, for sure, when you go to interview for a job one day, if you're looking at a job at a law firm, every interviewer is going to be asking themselves one question: how is this student going to relate to our clients? How are our clients going to feel about taking advice from this student? And that very much is a people skill, and it's not something you're going to teach you in a classroom in law school. So again, this is a wonderful opportunity for law students who want to go into private practice as a lawyer advising clients. This is a great opportunity to develop those people skills.